welcome back to my channel, guys. If you want to see how I made this hair mask, please keep on watching. So first we're going to be using, the natural aloe vera. So I'm cutting it in 4, and I think that's the best way to get all the gel out of it. So now I'm showing you how I take out the actual gel out of this plant, this leaf. So it is very hard to explain. So I'm cutting the part where the spikes are, and then I'm going to cut the leaves off. So you can just look and see what I'm doing and learn. Two avocado, one that is nice and one that is spoiling, but it is still good to use. Yes, it still has the nutrients. So now it's time to get the avocado out of the skin, because we have already dealt with the aloe vera. So I'm just using a spoon and scooping it out into this big cup. The aloe vera is also in this cup already, so I'm scooping it out in this big cup. Easy peasy lemon squeezing. So guys, now we're going to be blending. I'm going to be putting all the ingredients, well, the avocado and the aloe vera, in the blender right now. And I had to put the egg also because it wasn't blending. I also added coconut oil. I lost the footage for that. I also added coconut oil to it. So yeah, and then I blend everything and it came out smooth and nice and smexy and all those nice things. So now guys, as you can see, everything is blended smooth. Yes, and it's in my eco gel bottle. So guys, I finished made the mask for my hair. Yes, and this is the steam cap I'm going to be putting on it after I finish applying it, and I'm going to be wetting my hair as I go along. Yes, so stay tuned. I know my hair is looking really mad right now. Yes, because it needs to be washed. A lot of gel has been going in it for the past few days, so yeah. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to use my nails, guys. One advantage of nails is can part your hair, isn't it? So I'm just going to take my time and apply it in my hair. So if you want to see how I did that, keep on watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And the product is in my Eco Gel, the green olive bottle. If you were with me for the past few times, you would have known this. So yeah, I'm going to be putting it on my hair as well as the roots. So stay tuned for that, guys. And this won't take any time, really won't. Depends on how you section your hair, but you don't have to do very small sections. So I have a lot left, so I'm just going to massage it in my hair until it's done, because you know we can't waste anything. Good nutrient for your hair like this. You can wear a glove if you want, but if I don't got time for that, so guys, look at that. That's how it's going now. I think I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I'm not sure, but comment down below other hair videos that you'd like to see. So I'm going to be letting this stay in my hair for 20 to 30 minutes or longer, but at least 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, guys, and yes, so now I'm going to chop all the heat and everything. And it is finished now. Yes, it is finished. Anything that is left, I can't get out because I know your girl wants to get everything so that your hair can grow faster because it is growing. If you're with me from my first video, you will see a big difference. Trying to get out all that I can with this nail. So now guys, I'm just going to be putting it over my head. So after the 30 minutes, I'll come back to you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy yourself and be safe. So after the 30 minutes or whenever, I'm going to tell you how long I'll let it stay for. So yeah. So guys, I have the same for longer than an hour until it damaged say this still in my ear. But this is how it looks. The girl have some curls that go on do. Not lie, I have little curls, man. I have little curls. I go wash my ear now. And don't know me, I wash my ear with Contour. Yeah. I have little curls, man. Tell me if you see them. Tell me if you see the little curl. But over here, son, I have no balls, me, I tell you. Watch here. Over here, son. Over here, son, I'm not ready. Over here, so a bit lock. You see me? I make a thumbnail. One more thing guys, please wash your hair with cold water, because if you wash it with warm water, the egg will fry, will cook in your head. I'm telling you, it will cook in your head. It's easy to wash your once you blend it. If you never blend it, it would have take up in your ear and all of them over there. And you know who can bother with that? Me. So it's good to blend or mash it, so yeah, easy to wash out. So this is my hair after it has been washed out. Hair all look clean actually. Time to shampoo. So we're using, you know me I use already, you know. You guys know. Some persons put it in their hair as a deep conditioner, but it is a mask. You can use it as whatever you want. It's the same nutrient you're getting from it. Everything that you get, it promotes your hair growth and everything. So you can use it however you want, but this is just how I do it. Guys, I'm gonna some ear dirty and I thought it was. So So make sure that your comb is clean, like clean things you need, any clean things. So conditioner time. Like wait, let me section out my hair. Guys, I'm here again, and as you can see, I did a protective style, which is plaiting up my hair. And yes, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. When I say share, I mean go send the link to a friend. Go and send my link to a friend, okay? And tell them about my channel. So tell me if you like my plaits, guys, because them say plait have a buzz. Until next time, guys, watch my other videos and all of those nice things. You don't know say me love on. Please stay safe, and you don't know say your girl is out.
You shake my mind.